Hi, I'm Tony, your virtual source on all things fiber internet with Nuvera. Ever wondered what happens to your lawn during our fiber construction? Well, I'm here to bring you up to date. We get it. Your lawn is important to you. Our mission is to leave it as we found it after we're done. Once construction is done, we dive into the restoration process with two simple steps. Step 1. Safety first, of course. We fill any holes with sand, allowing it to settle before moving on. This keeps the ground solid and prepped for the final step. Next, our crew swoops back in to finish the job, filling the areas with dirt or topsoil, and then planting grass seed for that fresh green look. Give it some time and care and your lawn can be returned to its familiar look and feel. Want to learn more about our construction and restoration process? Visit nuvera.net/construction to get the lowdown. If you have questions or need to flag a lawn restoration for your property, you can easily submit a ticket there. We understand that construction is disruptive. However, our teams do their best to work with homeowners on restoration and appreciate your patience. Please reach out to us with any issues.